Verse 41.
Yes. Chapter 41. Says in chapter 41. Yes.
Verse 1.
Yes.
Kwathi sekupheleni kweminyaka emibili waphupha uFaro.
Yes.
Bheka wayemi ngasemfuleni.
Yes.
Bheka kwakhuphuka emfuleni izithole ezisikhombisa.
Yebo.
Ezibukeka kahle. Zikhuluphele.
Yeah.
Zadla emhlangeni.
Yeah.
Nazo ezinye izithole ezisikhombisa zenyukela emfuleni emva kwazo. Zibukeka kabi, zondile. Zeba kwezinye izithole ogwini lomfula.
Yes.
Izithole ezibukeka kabi ezondileyo zadla izithole ezibukeka kahle ezikhulupheleyo.
Yeah.
Wayesephaphama uFaro.
Yebo.
Walala ubuthongo, waphupha ngokwesibili. Bheka kwahluma izikhwebu ezisikhombisa ezeleni linye. Zibhoxile, zizinhle. Bheka nezikhwebu ezisikhombisa ezincane azihabukile kumoya wasempumalanga.
Yes.
Zahluma emva kwazo.
Yeah.
Izikhwebu ezincane zagwinya izikhwebu ezibhoxileyo ezipheleleyo.
Yeah.
Wayesephaphama uFaro. Bheka kwakuyiphupho. Kwathi ekuseni umoya wakhe wakhathazeka.
Moya wakho wakhathazeka.
Wathuma wabiza izanusi zonke zaseGibhithe.
Hey.
Nezihlakaniphi zonke zalo.
Hey.
uFaro wazilandisa iphupho lakhe.
Yes.
Kepha akubangakho ongachazela wona uFaro.
Okay. Ngicela sibuke lapha bese siyaphuma. Draw trap ngicela sibukeni. Lana uJoseph usejele uboshiwe. Uaccused ukuthiwa urape umfazi. Yena uboshela icase yakona attempted rape to umfazi wenkosi. So impilo yakhe istakile ejele. But he was in jail for 13 years. He was arrested for 13 years for false accused ukuthi urape attempted urape umfazi wenkosi kanti umfazi wenkosi wafuna urape him. But now he is stuck there. Right. He saw the dream ekhaya, share with baba wakhe, saw the second dream, share with baba wakhe bamzona bafika bamthengisa, bafika landed in eGibhithe. So bafika eGibhithe waseva endlini enkosi kwabheda bambopha. Then usejele manje, makasejele nabanye aboshelabo abanye bakwathisa inkosi lombhaki nalo nomunye bashare ama dreams abo bewa interpret ama dreams, then he connects to them. But the problem ukuthi nabantu connecta kibo, they forget about him, bamkhohlwa. Tell them about the power of connection. So now he is stuck la ejele. He doesn't know now what to do. See, because he's false accused and casely on, we have done Sekana 13 years. And Joseph was 13 years in jail for false accused. He's stuck. There's no way out. The worst case, laba abayena baphuphile wa interpreta amaphupho abo baphumile bamkhohlile. So he's stuck. There's nowhere to go. Now, all of a Sunday, Washabantu, all of a sudden, inkosi yaphupha phezulu. Samgodini, inkosi yaphupha phezulu. Iphupha lephupho ole illustrator ukuthi lephupho makaphupha uphupha inkomo ezinonile, phupha inkomo ezondile. But the problem is le inkomo ezinonile. Le nkomo ezondile zidla le nkomo enonile ziyayiqeda. Excuse me. Yaphaphama makalala futhi again liyabuya lephupho uphupha izikhwebe ezinkulu zombila lekhwebe ezindile lekhwebe ezondile zigwinya lekhobi ezinonile. Then uyaphaphama, then you get worried why let phupho libuye kayi-2 libuya ngama form are different. Then he's getting worried. But I wanted to show you now the power of connection. ukuthi kunabantu ozobamitha ungabadeleli. Sometimes ubamitha nhlukane nabo. Value that relationship because I was why God made you to meet. I was inhlanganeleni. Ikhona mazalwane. Labantu abamitha bahlukane futhi abamkhohliwe. It's another years and years of impurity. But now into ezokwenzeka the power your connection. Then the king is stuck with a dream. Le phezulu Joseph usemgodini. The king is calling his anusi, calling the magicians, calling abantu abaziyonke into ukuthi emadoda wozani zointerpret the dream. They failed to interpret the dream. So that the king is stuck and Joseph is stuck. Both parties, different venue, different places, but stuck in a match. Adinabantu abasiza ngelinye ilanga uJoseph uthema abasiza labantu bona baphumelela yena wasala. Do you know that situation? Do you know that situation where you can help other people baqhubeke empilweni but you stop? Someone says, talk to me now. Have another situation. You give advice to other people. Later, but why? I'm answers for lawyer, but I'm answer for lawyer. Don't worry. You did the right thing. Maybe Joseph was sold. Maybe why sold? Because the Anya sitting there and doesn't know what will this thing, how it's gonna, happen with him in Pupu Leche. Now in goes the Pupu, then my Pupu and the king gets stuck. Together as a sister. Want us 3 o'clock, I want us to get out.
Yayisikhumbula indona yabaphathizitsha ufana.
Yes, lo amsizo omunye uyena ophatha izitsha ngithela kufana. Uyena umuntu onaka izinto zaphezulu zokudla kafana onkinto. Now inkosi istakile ngephupho ukuthi lephupha izangoma azikwazi ukuinterpret. Because remember the power of izangoma is limited. Don't say they don't have power. They have power, but their power is limited. So much, but now they're limited. They can't explain the dream because in course interpretation. Angifuni ngitshele iphupho, ngifuna ngitshele interpretation ukuthi le phupho lishukuthini. Yabona njalo? So bastakile because their powers are limited. The devil's power is limited. The Zangoma's power is limited. The false prophet's power is limited. But the man and Nkulunkulu are not limited. God knows everything. Because he's the omniscient, he's the omnipotent, he's the omni. Something is wrong here. Tell you neighbor, all the powers are limited. But God's power is not limited. All the powers, the sky is the limit, but God's power is not limited. Alright, I said the story, hey.
Yayisikhuluma induna yabaphathizitsha kufana. Ithi ngiyakhumbula namuhla maqalami. uFaro wathukuthelela izinceku zakhe. Wangifaka ukuba ngilindwe endlini yenduna yabalinda nkosi. Mina kanye nenduna yabaphathizinkwa. Saphupha iphupho ngabona lobo busuku mina naye. Saphupha. Ngoba yilowo nalowo ngokuchazwa kwephupho lakhe. Kwakukhona nathi lapho insizwa umHebheru. Inceku yenduna yabalinda nkosi. Sayilandisa yona. Yasichazela amaphupho ethu.
Ithi Nkosi baba sesivalile. Ithi ndoda Nkosi sengiyakhumbula manje ukuthi saka saba ku dilemma yokuthi nathi sinenkinga lesikhathi usikwatela wasifaka ejele. So sisejele njalo saphupha ejele. Masiphupha lebejele so yi2 aswazi lamaphupho ethu kashuthi. But manje lapha ejele kunomfana wamaHebheru esamlandisa ngamaphupho. Lo mfana wamaHebheru wachaza lamaphupho kithi. And lamaphupho makachaza enzeka njengalendlela ewachaze ngawo. Look at this connection. Ngikubuke into ezokhipha uJoseph ejele. Akwehle ingilosi. Umuntu ngamani. Uzokhishwa umuntu. Kule dilemma ye 14 years uzokhishwa umuntu. Umuntu ahlangana naye wamthitha ngendlela right engamazi. Ukhona bazalo. Azange uJoseph athi ngifuna inombolo. Lo ngizomgwaza lo ngizobenza uJoseph wathitha ngendlela right lawathi engabazi. After so many years abantu bamkhumbula bazokukhumbula nawe. Nawe abantu abenza izinto ezinhle bazokukhumbula. Tell your neighbor this is a powerful connection. Now this guy is telling inkosi manje ukuthi inkosi lo mfo wa interpret iphupho lethu. And this guy is still being arrested and is serving the sentences I asked for how many years. What I remember, may the God make you people to remember. I prophesy over you. Sengatukulu ngenza bonke abantu basisile bayikhumbule into enhle owabenzela yona babuye kuwe. Khona bazalwane. You know that's why I say uthi kuwe treat umuntu kahle noma ungamazi uthi lo muntu nimithe for the sake of what? For the sake of siqedele.
Kwakukhona nathi lapha insizwa uMhebheru.
Yebo.
Ingcebi yenduna yemilinda Nkosi.
Yebo.
Sayilandisa yona yasichazela amaphupho ethu. Yachazela kwaba yilowo nalowo ngokwephupho lakhe. Kwathi njengalokho yayisichazela kwaba njalo. Mina inkosi yangibishela esikhundleni sami. Yena yamphanyeka.
Yamphanyeka yambulala. Kwenzeka nje kanjalo manje
uFaro wayesethuma wambiza uJoseph.
Yebo.
Bashesha bamkhipha emgodini.
Bashesha. uFaro wasethuma ukuthi ayobiza uJoseph. Bashesha bamkhipha emgodini. Mara ngicela siyeke ukushesha baphuma emgodini. Uphuma kanjani?